welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing. And if you subscribe, hit your notification bell so you won't miss an upload. And to my returning subscribers, you know I love you so much. What I have for you today is I received my silver play button from YouTube, and I wanted to unbox it with you. I cannot thank you enough for this. This is quite an accomplishment, and I couldn't have done it without you, my sweet, sweet family of subscribers. I also have merch. We'll get into that a little bit later. This is the shirt, and it just says the Dynamic Duo. And it comes in a couple colors, and then I have some hoodies and different things. But I thought I'd do a shameless plug in case you're interested. And Maggie wanted me to make sure that she was in this since our pictures are on all the merch, okay? But first, here it is. I'm so excited. Here's how it comes. Okay, then you open the box. I already slid it open. And it has this on top. And then there's a letter. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And the wonderful play button is underneath. But this says, some 100,000 subscribers, just how far you've come. If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. And that's true. You all are just the best subscribers. I know people say this all the time, but I feel your support, your love, just everything wrapped around, and I couldn't do this without you. I truly couldn't. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. And then it just says a little bit more, but I don't think you'd be interested in that, okay? And then it has a little card that says that Rick packaged it. And look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't think it's sunk in yet. I mean, I'm excited, but I don't think that it's, oh. And there's some more things down in there. Let's look. It's enclosed in this. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. Look at this. I hope you can see it. It's so shiny. There's the play button. This is all engraved right here, and it says, presented to the Magnolia Housewife for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. I cannot believe it. It doesn't feel real. I kind of feel numb. But look, and like I said, that is engraved. You can actually feel all that. Oh my, look at that. I'm going to hang this in my craft room. I have to clean my craft room though, because it is beyond a mess. But I truly thank you from the bottom of my heart. And there'll be more giveaways going forward, so stay tuned. But thank you so much. It just doesn't seem possible. You know, it really doesn't. I'm blown away that we've achieved this milestone together. So thank you so much. I love it, okay? And once I get my craft room cleaned up, I'll show it to you in there. But it's probably going to take days. But that is how that looks. Oh my gosh, I love it, okay? Then, like I said, we have merch. I have my picture and Maggie's picture, and then it says the Dynamic and Duo is at the bottom. Like I said, it's really hard to see this the way I'm sitting here, but I didn't want to leave little Maggie out because she's such a part of this. And I have it always linked in the description box of all my videos, my newer videos. And then here's some other merch that I have. I picked up Melvin this beautiful blue zip front unisex hoodie, and I put our little pictures in the Dynamic Duo here. Now, it says dynamic on this. These were samples that I purchased. The duo doesn't show up, but I fixed that. So if you order anything, it will have duo down there. Okay, but look how adorable that is. I just think it's cute. It's got pockets. It's really good quality. I love it. It's nice and warm. And isn't this a beautiful blue color? And then I picked me up the red. Like I said, I can't remember what all colors they come in, but I have them down there. And then look, that really pops off of the red, and then duo will be right under here, just like it is on this. But I have all different types of merch. I have water bottles, stainless steel, phone covers, all kinds of stuff. If you're interested, you can just go browse and enjoy. But I didn't want to let this opportunity pass without sharing it with you, my wonderful, sweet family of subscribers. Like I said, I think I'm still in shock. It just doesn't seem real, but I'm so grateful. So let me get Maggie, because you know she has to share in this excitement too, and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby, and she says that all the merch is Maggie approved. Maggie, is the merch approved by you? Do you like our merch? Maggie likes our merch, she says. She likes our shirts. She says, yes, Mama, I do. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Tuesday for, I'm not sure what, but we'll do something. Until next time, bye guys.